Hello everyone, this is Dave from DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be quickly showing you how to copy, rename, move and delete files on your Google TV. This is a short and interesting video, so I highly recommend watch right up to the end. If you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So let's get started. Here's my Google TV. I'm using an on TV box. And if you want to learn how to move, delete, rename files on your Google TV, then watch right up to the end. And there is no dedicated function or system function on your Google TV that allows you that. But if you go over to this application that calls File Manager Plus, you'll be able to do all of that here. So you'll be able to copy files, to rename files, to delete files, and also to move files to other folders. So let's just try that out. So for instance, if I go over to this video over here, here is a media that I have over here. So I can copy this, just click on it for long, and you see an option to copy, to move, to rename, and to delete. So these are the four functions that I can do over here. I can do this to this file. So for instance, if I want to copy it, I can just click on copy and I move over to another folder and I paste it. So that's how to copy a file. And if you want to delete it, it is still the same. I can cancel that. If I want to delete this, it's still the same thing. All I need to do is to select the file and choose delete over here. So you can rename, you can move, you can also delete. So if I click on delete, to ask me that, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? And I want to delete that, I can just click on OK, and then it quickly delete from my Google TV. So as I said, there is no system function to do this, but this application is going to allow you to do all of that. So if you're wondering how to install this application, it's quite simple. Go over to your Play Store or Add App section on your Google TV and just quickly search for File Manager. The name of the application is File Manager Plus. If you search for File Manager over here, you're going to find the application here and you can quickly install it to your Google TV. So that's it. Just go over here, site File Manager, and you will find the application available on your Google Play Store. So install it and then you can start using it and doing all those stuff on your Google TV.